Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Max Goldwasser.
Good evening, Central Oregon, and a happy Mother's Day to you. We had some beautiful weather today. We did have some clouds overhead, but the sun was shining down. And I hope you enjoyed it because it looks like over the next few days, really over the next entire week, we'll have rain in our forecast, so things will be switching up just a bit. We have partly cloudy skies here at night. This is what the activity looks like over the last 3 hours on our satellite and radar. You can see some places in the state already getting hit by the system, but you see the bulk of it headed our way right down here from the south, and we have westerly winds that will be pushing it to our region here on the high desert. Any chances we had for rain tonight have gone away. We'll be waking up to mostly cloudy skies tomorrow. Our chances for rain tomorrow don't start until after 11 a.m. or around noon. That's when you start to see some heavier patches of green, especially the western parts of Central Oregon, because that's where the system will hit first as it makes its way here to Central Oregon. And those conditions stick with us throughout the day on Monday, getting a little bit heavier here at 8 o'clock Monday evening. Those yellow spots indicate a heavier chance of rain when it comes, and then clears up just a bit overnight between Monday and Tuesday. But look at all that activity, all that green spot on the map. That means rain is actually likely here in Central Oregon starting when we wake up on Tuesday. That'll last, might taper off just a bit throughout the day into Tuesday evening. See, it gets very patchy here on the map, but the entire day of Wednesday, rain is likely. Some thunderstorms also possible Thursday morning as well. Rain is likely. Winds right now are very calm, single digits for the entire region. We did have several cities like Bend, Redmond, Prineville, Madras in the double digits earlier today, but it has calmed down since, and we should stay fairly calm tomorrow as well, mainly in the single digits, but we could see some gusts up near 18 to 20 miles an hour for those westerly winds. Temperatures right now have dipped mostly into the 60s and 50s, still at 71 in Warm Springs, but 61 in Prineville, 65 in Redmond, low 60s in Bend and Madras, and then mid to high 50s for the rest of the region. And it's still fairly warm. That's because we're not going to get much colder than that when we hit our forecast lows later on tonight. That 46-degree mark that you see there, that's about 10 to 12 degrees above our average for this time of year. Forecast highs for tomorrow, still pretty warm, 72 in Redmond, 71 in Madras, 72 in Prineville. So the cool down doesn't happen just yet. That starts the next day, dipping into the high 50s. But look at all that rain and thunderstorm activity that is headed our way. That's been a look at your weather. We'll be right back.